Hello guys, this is another video on how I tried Binance Trading Bot. I see in the comments you like to see bot results, so I decided to make it. And also I will post algo trading results sometimes. Alright, this bot is the futures grid. Then I have to select the coin I want to trade. I think Ethereum is good. It's pretty stable last time and is located within the same price range. Okay, you can make an AI bot. It's the same grid bot, but the grid prices and the number of grids are defined by some AI, or it just depends on the last behavior. The next video is about this one. And also you can find some popular strategies and see the current profit and loss. I choose some, and then I can customize this bot. I will leave the price range and number of grids as is, but change it to the neutral. That means there will be buy and sell orders. The leverage is 20, and I will invest $250. You can also enable trailing up and trailing down. If the coin price goes up the highest grid price, it changes grids to the current price as it's shown on the video. And the same if the coin price goes down. Okay, I created the grid bot and we'll see what happens with that. I will run it for 7 days. After 1 day my profit is slightly less than $7. You can check here current position and the order history. As you can see, one order gives 25 cents. The next day it's almost $18, 7% for 2 days. 3 days after it started I get 24 bucks. And the day after this the total profit is $25. It's more than 10%. Let's go to the 6th day, and the bot profit is $36. And now the grid bot has been working for 7 days. The current profit is $44, so it's 17% for the last week. There were 180 trades, and the current price is still in the needed range. You can also see the orders on the chart. 44 bucks isn't that huge result, but anyway it's good. At least I didn't lose anything. Thanks for watching.